YouTubers. We're coming to you with a burp challenge. This is Sadie. Y'all might know her. Hope 0. And I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I just trying to stay on it, but I swear, I'm just having a hard time, y'all. Okay, let's get started. Got Coke Zeros. This hair just coming off of this pen. Excuse me. There's our baby coming. There's our baby coming. Uh-oh. This thing keep on sliding down my hair. Well, Hunter's messing with my light. Okay, come here. Oh my goodness. If I mean it, like, just come on here and just fix my hair. I don't want this thing to slip out, then I can find it. Because if I take it out right here, I already know what's gonna happen. Girl, we need the lights. Marianne, North Carolina.
He's blocking it. Really? Get it.
It's like it's gonna be a very, very short video. It's already almost 3 minutes in, and I'm winning.
Yeah.
And Sadie's losing.
Because it's girl.
No, you ain't losing because of her. She ain't stopping you from burping. She's not stopping you from burping. She's not.
I know I got a burp bad, but it just don't want to come out.
Winter's gonna win.
Let me drink it right quick.
Winter's like, give it back.
I had it first. I said you can have some.
Ooh.
Wait.
She said, give it here. You making that baby mad. Look at her. She said, drink, 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 drink. Said, you want drink? Drink. I know. She's weak today. I'm kind of weak too.
Ow! What are you frustrated about?
What she mad about? Well, she was drinking some drink and then you didn't give her any.
Girl, you go.
Uh,
This is not not gonna work out well.
Oh, I got a little left. Maybe a sip.
Burp since this has came back.
I'm trying to see if I get one last burp out. I can feel it. Oh wait. Oh wait. I think it's gonna come. Nope, not yet. Oh wait, yep. Okay.
Yeah, let me get it. One more sip. One more sip.
Oh wait. That was a nasty one. That was a nasty one. I think that's all I got. You got any more? You let the babies on?
I only got 2 big burps this video.
Well, we know who's the winner, right? We don't, I mean, with the comments, they're not going to let it be on anyway, so there ain't no even use of going down to the bottom, commenting who won. We all know it's me.
Or me.
No, we know it was me. You can't pretend like you won when you just said you only did like 2 burps.
2 big burps.
Yeah.
And then like some of them was so good.
I did more than you. Okay. I did more than you. Right, Winter? Wait, I got another one. Winter, you got any burps?
She's not my baby. How can I get burped so well?
She be burping. I didn't hear Winter burp a couple of times. Actually, I think I heard her burp like 2 times today. It was so cute because, you know, she's not a little baby anymore. Oh, you made her mad. Actually, I think she's mad because she wet.
Give me something to drink. I'm bored.
Alright, you guys. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all hear any music in the background, do not want to write sleep music.
Yeah.